Hey there, this is Alex from the product team here at CIM, and I'm here to show you our workflow automation feature. So what is this feature all about? It's about sending your alerts to the right platform so they reach the relevant people and they can get action quicker. And how are we doing this? We're doing this by integrating with Zapier. Zapier is a third-party tool that allows us to connect to the most popular apps such as Microsoft Office and the Google Workspace. So just to give you an idea of how it works, the way to access the integrations page is within your Peak account. If you go into account and integrations, you'll see a list of the templates that we prepare. There's a few other apps that you can connect to, but we've selected a few that are the most popular. So how can you use this? You can use this, for example, to send your maintenance alerts to your relevant contractors. You can send critical alerts to yourself. You could open up a Teams channel with your sustainability team and send them energy-related alerts so they can stay on top of energy consumption in your buildings. Or you could even send all your alerts into a spreadsheet to track for your capital works team. An example I'll use to show you how it works is the Microsoft Teams integration. So in order to set it up, which I won't go into in too much detail, you click on this link and that will take you to Zapier where you can go through the steps and set up the Zap. Once it's published, it'll be connected to your Teams account. And I've done that already. So what you see here is I've already created a Teams channel that is for Nakatomi Plaza, which is the site that I'm talking about. And what we want to see is basically all the alerts in this channel so that I can work with it with my site team. And what I'll do now is I'm gonna manually create an alert just to see if it triggers. And there you go. So this is an alert that has just occurred at Nakatomi Plaza and is A212 inspect unit not operating. The benefit of this is now there is one common chat for all the alerts, and I can, for example, say, I will be looking at this. And the rest of the site team will know that I'm looking at this. All right, that's it from me. Thanks.